Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And I already told you that the last time was my first video, and now this is my second. In the last video, I said that I was going to show you more about fidget spinners. And here we go. So I have three or four different kinds. And I'm going to show you right here. But let me just get them before I show you them. Just wait for a little. Here's one of them. It's really cool. And here's the other one, but they came off. It's still here, but they just came off. So it's right here. There's a zebra one. And my brother is selling some. Just like the video and subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you want one of these, because they're $7. So bye guys.